Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
See, media, don't worry. I know. From here you can snap whatever. From here you can snap whatever. Please. I'm sure you know this. No. Your Excellency, Admiral Musa is the coordinator of the Counter-Terrorist Center.
Let's be going.
Absolutely.
No, sorry.
Consultant architect. As you snap, you will drop. As you snap, you will drop. Let it be ugly. As you snap, you will drop. It's okay. Actually, this is the last person. You enter like this. Yes, sir. General Abba is the National Coordinator, Small Arms and Light Vehicles Prohibition Center. National Center for the Control of Small Arms and Light Vehicles. Yes, sir. General Ndagi is the Director of Defense Affairs.
Training purposes. We'll just show you around the gallery and we'll make our way to
This is a depiction of our counter-terrorist elements in training. And this is the end result, having rescued people being escorted through the safe corridor.
On the right, we have war-daring entries and intelligence summaries dating back to our participation in World War II and some pictures of our men in World War I. So just so that when people come to this center, they know that Nigeria is actually involved in securing anti-terrorism. This way, sir.
He has also requested at some time, based on your permission, to come and say thank you to you, sir.
It's only 5. Don't do, please.
Only 5.
Começar.
Over here, Mr. President, in presidential airfield. So
Where are we going to?
Let's go.
No, I think you're going the other side.
Don't need to take you inside there, sir. It's just yes, but not my office. It's just the canteen. Your personal protection, guards brigade. So we decided to depict them in the original form when they were the federal guards under the Queen's Own Nigeria Regiment. This is their motive. So I thought we should just play around and then. This is our national symbol, the eagle, the presidential committee. The SFC, I have a permanent secretary with me, its team. So in recognition of their unseen silent work, we decided to. Then finally we have the Falcon Eye.
Ghana, come back. Position we're losing.
in the country, largest in the sense that their capacity to analyze currently the largest lab here in Onsa, and it has the goal, and I shall be conducting you on the tour of today's facility.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV. Muswobi.